Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Innovator's gold tuxedo. This exclusive item is a symbol of recognition within the virtual world. We'll explore its original acquisition method and discuss its current availability. Understanding its history will help you determine if it's still possible to add this unique tuxedo to your collection today. Initially, the Innovator's gold tuxedo was a special reward for participating in a significant virtual event. Players simply needed to join the designated event experience, often called a voting hub, to automatically receive this stylish item. This made it a very accessible, yet time-sensitive, collectible for many participants. As the Innovator's gold tuxedo was tied to a past event, its original acquisition method is no longer active. This means you cannot simply join a game to receive it today. For those still hoping to acquire it, the virtual marketplace or player-to-player trading might be your only avenues, though availability can vary greatly. For collectors aiming to obtain rare items like the Innovator's gold tuxedo, staying informed is key. Keep an eye on official announcements for any new events that might offer similar exclusive rewards. Engaging with the community can also open doors to trading. Remember, the rarity of such items often influences their value among players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.